Good day students. In this video I will show how to solve some selected questions from chapter 2 quadratic equations, subtopic 2.2 solving quadratic equations. First question, determine the roots of each quadratic equation by completing the square. So this method is completing the square. So we have three questions here, A, B and C. I will do with the first question, x square minus 8x plus 3 equals to 0. So completing the square, how to do that? Open a bracket, x square can split into two, that is x and x. You multiply x and x, you get x squared. So I'll just write 1x. When you split in two, you get x. Okay, followed by the sign minus, y minus, because it's minus here, so I'll follow minus. And then here 8, you must divide 8 by 2, so you get 4, close bracket, then minus in bracket, write again whatever the number you wrote here. So if it's 4, just write here 4, close bracket, and square the number. Okay, so it's 4 minus 4 square plus 3. Where did we get the plus 3? We retain the plus 3 from this one. Okay, the C part of the quadratic equation, and all this is equals to 0. Okay, now, oops, I forgot one thing. X minus 4, there is a square here. Okay, there's a square here. Okay, now x, hold on, x minus 4 square minus 4 square is 16, so minus 16 plus 3 equals to 0. X minus 4 square minus 16 plus 3 is minus 13 equals to 0. X minus 4 square equals to 13. Bring your 13 to the right of the equation. Okay, so x minus 4 equals to, so I'll bring my square to the left, to the right of the equation. So I'll get a square root. Okay, so I'll insert a square root, and the value in the square root is 13. Okay, oops. So yeah, that's how it will look. So bring your negative 4 to the right, so you get x equals to, just copy this. Oh, okay, I'll insert again. $13 plus 4. Okay, another thing that I didn't I missed is that when you square something, you'll get a plus minus answer. Okay, so you have a plus minus answer, so I can insert that plus minus. That means when you square root 13, the answer can be plus and also can be minus. Okay, so I'll have a plus minus, and same goes here. Okay, so whenever you square root a number or any other unknowns, there will be a plus minus sign. Okay, so you need to put plus minus sign in the front. So this one is x equals to plus minus square root of 13. I can do that. I can click open my calculator. So I need to square root 13. So 13 square root, I get 3.6. Okay, I'll take 3.606. okay, so 3.606 plus 4. So here I have 2, that is x equals to, that will be 3.606 plus 4. Two answers. This is the first answer. The second answer will be, I can write and negative 3.606 plus 4. Okay, so I'll have two answers. Okay, I'll have two answers. Okay, I don't write and, it's or, either one of the answer. Okay, or. Okay, so x equals to 3.606 plus 4 is 7.606, or negative 3.606 plus 4. I can use the calculator again. Negative 3.606, it's a negative, plus 4, so 0.394. So that will be the answer. Okay, so the answer is, the roots are, I can write down there, the roots of the equation are 7.606 and 0.394. This is the answer, and that's how you do the completing the square. Okay, moving on to question B. 2x squared plus 4x equals to 3. Okay, so I'll bring my 3 to the left of the equation. So I get 2x squared plus 4 plus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. Now I'll do the completing the square. Okay, so to do the completing the square, your a, the number in front of x square, your a should be 1, but in this case our a is 2, so I need to divide this equation by 2. Okay, so I'll say multiply with 1 over 2. Okay, multiply with 1 over 2. So when I multiply with 1 over 2, I will get x square plus 4. Multiply with 1 over 2, I will get 2. Okay, 2x minus 3 multiply 1 over 2, I get 3 over 2 equals to 0. Okay, so this is multiply with 1 over 2. Okay, now I'll do the completing the square. So open a bracket, x squared, take just one of it, x multiply x, so just take 1x, followed by the symbol. Just monitor the symbol here, follow the symbol here, it's plus, so you follow with plus. Then take the number here and divide by 2, it's 2. Take the b, b and divide by 2, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, close bracket, put a square, okay, minus 1 square. So where did I get the 1? I get the 1 from here. This is the one. Follow whatever the number here. Okay. So minus 3 over 2 equals to 0. So try to solve this. X plus 1 square minus 1, oops, minus 1 minus 3 over 2 equals to 0. X plus 1 square minus 1 minus 3 over 2. So I'll get minus 1 3 over 2, or in improper fraction it will be minus 5 over 2 equals to 0. X plus 1 square, oops, square equals to 5 over 2. Okay, bring the square to the right, so you get square root. So x plus 1 equals to square root. But before that, as I said in question A, you must have plus minus. Any square root will have plus minus. So plus minus square root, I will insert the square root 5 over 2. Okay, 5 over 2. So x equals to plus minus, set the square root again, 5 over 2 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. Where did I get the minus 1? From here. The plus 1, when bring it to my right, it becomes minus 1. So we'll solve this. X equals to plus minus, okay, square root of 5 over 2. I'll use the calculator. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So square root this 2.5, I get 1.581. Okay, 1.581. 1.581 minus 1. So x equals to, so since we have two components, plus and minus, so I'll take the plus first. 1.581 minus 1, that's the plus component, or so the minus component will be negative 1.581 minus 1. Okay, so x will be, for this one, this will be 1.581 minus 1 is 0.581, or negative 1.581 minus 1, it will be negative 2.581. Okay, negative 2.581. Okay, I see my answer here only 3 significant numbers, so I'll go back to calculator. Maybe I'll add 15811. So I'll take one more significant number in my answer earlier, so I'll have one more. Okay, same goes here. So the answer here will have, yep, so that I can get 4 significant number. Okay, here I'll just reduce that. Yep. Okay, so that will be my roots for the equation. So I can write there, down there, the roots of the equation are, okay, I'll start with the bigger number, that is 0 0.5811 and negative 2.581. Okay, so remember, I took extra 1 decimal point here because I want to have four significant number for my answer. Okay, so that's why I took 1.5811, and therefore my answer here can have 4 significant number. Okay, but for this answer, I think we already have 4 significant number, therefore we don't need that extra one at the end. Moving on to C, question C. Okay, what is our question C? Maybe I'll try to copy and paste. Six x plus 5 equals to 3x square, and that is square. Okay, so rearrange this so that it follows the standard quadratic form, ax square b plus bx plus c. So I get 3x square minus 6x minus 5 equals to 0. As I said in question B, when we are doing completing the square, our a should be 1. In this case, our a is 3, so I need to make it 1. How? I multiply with 1 over 3. So multiply with 1 over 3. So I'll get x square minus 6 multiplied with 1 over 3, I'll get 2x minus 5 multiplied 1 over 3, I get 5 over 3 equals to 0. Now I can do the completing the square, open bracket, x square, I'll take x minus follow the sign, 2 divided by 2, I get 1, close bracket, square it, minus, okay, whatever we wrote on our bracket just now, the number, square that, that is 1 square, and finally write down the c, that is negative 5 over 3 equals to 0. X minus 1 square minus minus 1 minus 5 over 3 equals to 0. X minus 1 square minus 1 minus 5 over 3, you will get minus 8 over 3 equals to 0. X minus 1 square equals to 8 over 3. Okay, bring the square to the right hand side, you'll get square root. So x minus 1 equals to plus minus, okay, I'll insert the square root, eight over 3. So x equals to plus minus square root 8 over 3 plus 1. So x equals to plus minus square root 8 over 3. We'll use the calculator again. 8 divided by 3 square root, you get 1.6329, 1.6329, or I can Yeah, I need to round it up, so I get 1.6330. Okay, 1.6330 1.6330 plus 1. X equals to 1.6330 plus 1, or negative 1.6330 plus 1. So X equals to, here I'll get 2.633. I'll just drop the 0 because I need only 4 significant number, or here I will get negative 0.6330. Okay, 4 significant number. So that are my roots. I can just write that down. Roots, the roots of the equation are 2.633 and negative 0.6330. That is the answer for question C. See you again in the next video. Bye.